So let's now move from that to all the court action. There's been plenty of that today. Supreme Court has upheld the constitutional validity of criminal defamation laws, which were challenged by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, BJP MP Subramanian Swamy, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and other politicians, along with journalists, through separate petitions. The court, while noting that it was difficult to accept that criminal defamation has a chilling effect on freedom of expression, clarified that the right to free speech can't undermine one's right to dignity and a reputation. Ashmit Kumar is joining in with the details. Very interesting case, this one, Ashmit. What exactly did the court have to say?
Well, you're right, a landmark judgment and unique for another set of reasons, as you rightly pointed out. Rahul Gandhi from the Congress, Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party, Subramanian Swamy from the BJP, all on the same side of the fence arguing against criminal defamation. Now, their collective arguments, we understand, has not managed to cut much ice with the Supreme Court. Supreme Court upholding criminal defamation, upholding Section 499 and 500 of the IPC, observing importantly that the right to life includes the right to reputation and that the criminal defamation provisions are not in conflict with the Constitution. Furthermore, the Supreme Court also goes on to say that the right to freedom of speech and expression is sacrosanct but not absolute. There are reasonable restrictions, so reinforcing that provision once again. Also observing that the right to freedom of speech and expression cannot undermine one's dignity and reputation, and also finally observing that criminal defamation does not necessarily prejudice the conversation or adversely affect the right to freedom of speech and expression. So the Supreme Court clearly upholding criminal defamation provisions, also advising the magistrates to be a little more careful, to exercise more discretion while issuing summons, but nonetheless the Supreme Court setting the tone on the discourse of freedom of speech and expression. Back to you.